All right, guys. So today I'm going to walk you through how to connect your AirPods back to your iPhone. I'm going to assume that these AirPods are not connected to another Apple account and that they're completely ready to be connected. So um, if they are connected to somebody's Apple account, you need to reach out to them. You need to bring these back to them and have them physically remove the AirPods from their account. They can do that in the Apple account section on their iPhone, or more likely in the Find My app on iPhone. Just have them remove the device, forget the device, all that, so that you can pair this up on yours. Now, really, what we need to do is just open the case, wait for it to register on the phone, and hit connect. It really takes all the heavy lifting away for us, and there we go. And done. Now I can check these. Let's go to Bluetooth here. And you can see that Trey's AirPods Pro number 2 are connected. Now, if you want to change the name of the AirPods, which I probably should, what you're going to do is go to your settings, and in your settings, since these are connected, you should see Trey's AirPods Pro number 2. And in here, just select the name, and you can change the name here. Yeah, and that's how you're going to connect your AirPods back to your iPhone. I hope this helps. If it does, like, subscribe. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.